are here today at the DriveTribe live event. We're hosting over 2,500 people today. The DriveTribe team have been incredible to work with.
Please give a warm welcome to Richard Hammond.
Now we've got the exhibit in play, it's a great place for people to kind of marry up the DriveTribe brand with such a credible, authoritative and historical brand like Haynes. It's brilliant.
There are influencers and traders and catering all on site. We've utilised the whole of the site and it's been an absolutely fantastic day.
So this event today is super exciting for the museum. Firstly, partnering with DriveTribe has been excellent. They know what they're doing. They're a fantastic brand to work with. But for the museum, it gives us an opportunity to demonstrate the variety of the whole site or using all of the internal museum space. And it demonstrates that we can handle upwards of 4,500 visitors for future events.
So this is the first time I've ever been to a DriveTribe Live event.
Had a lovely look around the museum. They've got a really nice collection of cars in there.
Massive eclectic mix of cars.
The talks, the meet and greets, just a brilliant show. Yeah, just come here.
For me to meet Richard Hammond and also hang out with all these other automotive royalty, it blew my mind.